Welcome to Marinemax Seabrook. My name is Skip Pillsbury. I'd like to take you on a tour of our 2018 Scout 420 LXF that just arrived here in town. We've got this boat's powered by quad Mercury 350 Verados with the joystick piloting. We've got a large live well located here in the transom. We've also got rod holders located on the backside as well. It makes it real nice and easy whether you're trolling or just working the rear cockpit area. This boat does have two large fish boxes located down here in the sole of the floor. The port side box is climate controlled, so it's got a freezer plate in there. We've got our swim patio located on the port side here. Flip up the backrest. This will open right up. There's a ladder integrated into it as well, so it makes a real nice area to hang out whether you're swimming, diving, you're just kind of hanging out, spending the day. We've also got a real nice easy bilge to work in. Get down here in the floor. All your pumps, seacocks, things like that are located down here. This boat does also run a sea chest for all of our cooling for the generator, air conditioner, Seakeeper, raw water washdowns, live wells, etc. Here we've also got the award-winning 5-in-1 leaning post equipped on this boat. We've got a freshwater sink located on the starboard side with a cutting board. We've got our cutting board over here on the port side, also with our grill controls. Easy access down into the maintenance room. Get access to our Seakeeper, other switches, things like that. Refrigerator located here on the starboard side, as well as extra drawers and things like that for tools and things like that. We've got a rod holder located in the bottom of the seat. So you'll also lay flat. Easy access to go up the stairs if you need to get up to the top cockpit to lay down antennas, things like that. We've also got a grill located on the back side here as well. So spending the day out there, you know, nice and easy to grill up some steaks or some fish, some shrimp, things like that. We've also got our raw water washdown and freshwater washdown located on the hose reels. Articulated rod holders. It makes it really nice and easy whether you're putting rods, gaffs, things like that up in the hardtop there. With speakers everywhere, this boat does have a JL audio system on board. We'll work our way a little bit forward. We've got room for 5 people to sit here under the hardtop. The seats are heated as well, along with the bow seat. Nice Garmin electronics display up here. We've got 3 16-inch displays. We've got a camera integrated here. We got our depth finder, and then all of our switches that run the whole boat are located on the port side display. These are all interfaced as well, so we can mix and match, move around. We've got our Mercury vessel view here, joystick piloting, also bow thruster, all at the captain's arm's reach. Additional switches up towards the top. We've got our Sure Shade integrated into the top as well. So we'll go ahead and run that out. You can see the rod holders automatically drop down. The top will start working its way out. Now work our way up towards the bow of the boat. Big wide gunnels all the way forward. Great place for tools and brushes, gaffs, things like that to store on the starboard side of the console. Nice large sun pad up forward here with fold-out armrest, a little bit of storage. We've got a cooler located here on the front side of the box as well. We've got our ladder for the dive door. A lot more seating up in this wide bow area. This boat's also equipped with the bow sunshade, so it'll attach to the hardtop, come all the way out, spread out to the gunnels, so if everybody's hanging out up in the front of the boat, you've got a nice place to get out of the sun. Table will also drop down, make it into a sun pad, or we can drop it all the way to the floor and have a nice room to move around throughout the boat. We'll kind of head down to the cabin, take a look around. The first thing you'll notice here, we've got an enclosed head located towards the aft of the cabin area here. Shower back around the corner, galley cooktop, microwave. This boat also is equipped with satellite TV. We've got a TV forward and sound bar. Table here will also drop down. We've got cushions that fill in, so you've got plenty of room for 2 adults to spend the weekend if you like. And lots of room on the outside to put 15, 20 people if you like. Thank you for taking a tour of our 2018 Scout 420 LXF located here in Seabrook.